Rise up, champions! Great morning, everyone. How are you today? My name is Neo Rayos in this a bit gloomy weather. Rise up! So, how are you today, my friends? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing awesome. Just here sharing out my thoughts. We just did our walking and a bit of running, you know, to get the blood pumping, get moving. Dito ulit tayo sa may liwanag, natural light. Okay, so today, yesterday we talked about rising up as God's powerful champions. Who are champions here? So hope you resonated on that message. Now let's talk about the one thing that you need. Not only the one thing, I think this is one of the most important things that you need if you wanted to rise as God's champion. What's that? And that is mindset. How do you think? If you'll see in the description, that's how to have a champion's mindset. How you think and act like a true champion. You know, champions, we call ourselves champions because we're championing for a cause. Meron tayong cause na pinaglalaban. Champions, it's not defined only in sports. We are a champion. Say, I'm a champion. I'm a champion. Come on, I'm a champion. If you're watching this live or later, say, I'm a champion. Hey, Roy. What's up, bro? So, I'm a champion. So, what are the three things that you need for your mindset? Your mindset, the mindset of a true champion. First, relentless discipline. Take note, relentless discipline. So, champions, they don't rely on motivation, because I myself, I don't believe in motivation. I believe in inspiration. I would always say when someone says he will motivate me, pardon to those who call themselves motivational speaker, but I myself personally, if you say I'm going to motivate you, you can't motivate me, because motivation comes from within. It's from the root word motive. What's your motive? Anong motibo mo para kanino ka bumabangon? Yun eh. So, motivation. It's not about motivation. Mine is inspiration. I'm here talking to you, hoping that this message would inspire you to get motivated and then take action. So, mindset of a champion. A champion, first, relentless discipline. Champions don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. Doing the right things every day. Consistently. Doing it every day. Whether you like it or not. Whether you're not feeling good, whether you're feeling bad or something happened or you're being challenged, you rise up for the occasion. That's why our theme is Rise Up. You rise up for the occasion, and you show up no matter what. Regardless of the nuts and bolts in your life, regardless of your circumstances, if you are a true champion, you will show up consistently. So that's it. Relentless discipline. The discipline of showing up no matter what you're feeling. You know, psyching yourself up and then show up what you're feeling. Regarding what you're feeling, then you show up. That's relentless discipline. And then you do the things that you need to do. So that's number one. Mindset of a champion. Yung pinag-usapan natin, number one, relentless discipline. Second, unbreakable confidence. Tama ba yun? Yeah, parang ganon. Yun yata yung naisulat ko dito. Unbreakable confidence. You have to believe in yourself first. Certainty. I recall may naalala lang ako in one of those trainings that I'm attending. You know, if you are certain about what you wanted to happen, certainty meaning without a shadow of a doubt, you are very certain of what you wanted to do, what you wanted to achieve. You will achieve that. Certainty means you believe in it, your mind conceived it, you believed in it, and therefore you will act on it. There's emotion. We are creatures of emotion. Diba? When we buy, I'm in sales, so by the way. So when we buy, people normally buy because of emotion, then justify that action with logic later. We will expound more on that as we go through, and then as we unfold this whole journey of rising up as champions. But first, relentless discipline. Second, unshakable confidence. the confidence. You have to believe in yourself first. If you have a trouble believing in yourself, you find someone who will believe in you before you can even believe in yourself. That's what you call a coach. So yung mga champions, meron silang coach. The coach believes in the champion's ability. If I have a coach, that coach believes in my ability, in what I can do, in my potential before I even believe in myself. Because let's face it, we are humans. We have self-doubts. That's why we have that coach that we need. So relentless discipline, unshakable confidence. Now, number 3, act as if there's no tomorrow. Beast mode. Act like a beast. You know, take action like a beast. Beast mode. Because if you believe in what you're going to do, if you believe in your cause, and if you believe what you're going to do, regardless of what you're feeling now, you know you have that ability, and then you have that moral obligation to share it to the world. Then you act. You act. You do what you must do. Speed of implementation. Do not be a perfectionist. You know, getting ready to be ready. Waiting for that perfect time. There's no perfect time, because time will go on. Time will go on, whether you like it or not. And there's my wife. She's going on, moving and moving and moving and moving. So time will go on, regardless. So you have to act like a beast. In the days to come, we will discuss that all. We will break it down little by little. But those are 3 things that we need. And those are 3 things that I wanted to share with you, and hopefully this will resonate with you, and hopefully we can work together so that eventually we will pull out the champion in you. I'm pulling out the champion in me. Right? 3 things that you need: the mindset of a champion, relentless discipline, unbreakable confidence, and act like a beast. Speed of implementation, like there's no tomorrow. All right? So what are the one thing? So here's my pumunta yung asawa ko sa harap eh. I was distracted by her beauty. So here's my challenge to you today. If you'll watch it, if you're watching now, or if you're going to watch this later, those of you who would come into this and watch this, here's my challenge. Hi, Boboy. Hello. Here's my challenge to you today. In the comment, what's the one thing? What's the one thing that's keeping you from achieving the champion status that you wanted, that you are capable of, the champion status that you're born to be? What's the one fear that's holding you back? Diba? So you have 3 things: relentless discipline, unbreakable confidence, and acting like there's no tomorrow. Act like a beast. Nagets nyo? Hopefully this helps. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. For those of you here, my name is Neo Rayos, and like I said, be great, live inspired, rise up champions. Wait for that. I am going to unfold that in the days to come. So it's time to rise up as God's powerful champion. And you can see here, this is our place, and that is my wife again. So this is our place here. Such a beautiful, wonderful day. A bit gloomy, but it's okay. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. See you around. Ciao. Woo, 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 woo. Rise up champions. Woo.